Hello and welcome. In this lesson today we want to see how can you draw a simple logo by using MS Word and MS Paint. As you can see from this screen here, I have a picture of a handwritten or a drawn logo on a piece of paper. Now we want to see how we can design it so that we come up with something attractive on the computer. The first thing I will do is to come and draw this content inside here. We have a sheep and you can see there is a fish. Probably it is barracuda, which is trying to jump out of the water and back. So we are going to draw the inside part of this logo using MS Paint. The rest, like these ones, these are just shapes which we are going to pick from MS Word and apply them here. The reason why I don't like drawing shapes in MS Paint, most of them appear ragged at the edges, but if you do them in MS Word, they will be smooth and they will look attractive. On my desktop, I will just go to the search box and just type paint. Then I will go ahead and start my drawing. Here in MS Paint, I will pick my pencil. Then I will confirm the size of the pencil. That is fine. So let me start by drawing the sheep. We don't have any rules for drawing, but you are free to draw the way you want. But the most important thing is it must look attractive. That is the requirement. So that is part of the ocean. Then for the mast on the ship, I can just use this straight line. I will press Shift on the keyboard to help me get a perfect straight line, and you can see the line is very thick, so I will come to size and reduce it here. I will go ahead and draw. You can just click away and come back here and draw another straight line. Press Shift to help you get a straight line. Then I can join the upper part of the mast. For the sail, this huge clothing which we normally have on the ship, it is called a sail. I can just have something which looks like this. Okay. Now I will go ahead and get some straight lines, make them thinnest, and I will choose gray color to symbolize the moving wind. It's like wind is blowing away like that. Then I will need my pencil now to draw the picture of the fish. Let me check my size is fine, then change color to black. I will go ahead and try to draw a nice picture of barracuda fish. Yeah? Barracuda fish trying to jump out of the water, something like that. Probably it has a small eye there. Then I can go ahead and draw the fins for the sheep, for the fish, something like that. Then we have the scales. Can just have a bit of patterns here for the scales. I will go ahead and paint this diagram of a sheep. Let me decorate this sheep a bit here. I can go on decorating it with any nice pattern, something like this. Now down here I have my ocean, you can see. Now in order for me to paint this ocean, I have to close this. Let me look for blue color. Select blue color here. I have to close this section so that I'm able to paint it. If you don't close, the color will come out. So I'll come and paint my ocean. For the ship, I can choose any nice color. I think most ships are dark in color. Gray, dark gray is fine. Just like that. Then for that band I can give it maybe orange. For the sail, let me choose a nice color for the sail. Okay, let me just choose this light yellow. And for the mast, I can maintain it at black color. Choose black. And now you can see I have a nice drawing of the ship, or a boat if you like. Then for the fish, you can choose a grayish color. Grayish, I think, will be fine. Then once you click a color here, the color one becomes active and you are able to apply it. I think that is good for the fish. I can leave the head and the other part just white color, the way you can see here. Now I want to move this fish closer to the ship, so I will just come and choose here freeform selection. This one will allow me to select well going around corners. It is unlike the rectangular selection which you have to select. Now I'll try to move this fish closer to the ship. But you can see the selection has a white background which is hiding my ship. So I will, while it is selected like this, just click this down arrow here for the select tool and choose the option transparent selection. It makes the background of the selection transparent. So I think I am done with the drawing, and I will go ahead and switch the selection to rectangular, and I will select this picture. You just select very close to the picture itself, and I'm going ahead and cropping here, and I will save it on my desktop somewhere here. I can even call it Barracuda. I think so. Barracuda. And just call it fish. So this is the graphic which I have done, and it is now saved as fish. So I will go ahead in MS Word to complete the logo. I will start MS Word. And open a blank document. I will come and insert the picture which I drew. So just go to desktop, inside the Barracuda, and insert this image. And I want to make this image move. Therefore, I have to click it. Then when you see wrap text, just choose the option tight. This will be able to make this thing move. If the image is big, you can just go to the corner of the image and squeeze it a bit like that. So I want to create a shape here. I will go ahead and click insert. Then under shapes, I will look for the circular or oval shape. Then draw it. Press shift always to get a perfect circle. I want to draw it exactly like that. Then since it has a filling, I will remove this fill by just choosing here no fill in the shape fill. And I also want it to have the outer circle, I want it black, so I will come to shape outline and choose black color here. And I want it thicker, so I will come here and choose underweight. I can give it, I think, 3 points. Let me just go with 2¼ points. So that is how it is easy to do. Now I will go ahead and copy paste this circle. I will use Ctrl and C on the keyboard and Ctrl and V to paste it back. The reason why I'm copy pasting it, I don't want to go and do the same formattings again of the thickness of the line and the color. So if you copy paste, you just create a copy, then you edit the copy. So I'm going to squeeze the other circle to be smaller than the first circle to create a double ring like that. Do this. I want to create a pattern here, so I will just come and click the inner circle, Ctrl and C on the keyboard, Ctrl and V to paste it. Then I will just pull it out. I want to pull it out and stretch it a bit, create something like that. So after that, I wanted to go and take screenshots. I want to go and take screenshots of these two images and take them to MS Paint so that I can easily manipulate them. But before I do that, I want to have some writings here. Barracuda fishing. So I will just go to Insert, pick word art, and just choose the first one. I will go ahead here and write Barracuda fishing, and reduce this font size. Just come here and reduce this font size. Remember, I typed in word art, not in a text box. So if it is still big, the font, you can just still reduce it like that, and maybe give it some color. You can just give it a red color. Then I want to curve it, so I will just when it is selected, just click Format. Then we have this text effects tool under Transform. There is this one, so I can have it like that, bent down here. So I will go ahead and take a screenshot. I will just press, there's a button written like this, print screen. This is the button I'm going to press. Once I press this button will take a picture of what is on my screen. Then I will take it to MS Paint and finish this drawing. So let me press print screen to take the screenshot. I will go ahead and start MS Paint here and click paste. So you can see everything has come to paint here. So I will go ahead this time and just select this shape here, and I don't want it to block. You can see it is trying to block. So I will just choose select and choose transparent selection so that it doesn't block my diagram. Now you can see I want to go and estimate this distance and this distance so that I cut away the other part. So I will come here. Now after clicking select, I will come here and select a section of it. Then I will delete, pressing delete on the keyboard. So this piece is what I want. So I will just drag it and bring it here. I can have my eraser and remove the other parts I don't need. Remember, the reason why I drew these shapes in MS Word is to get smooth shapes. If I just come here and draw with paint, you can see the shape is ragged. That is what I was trying to avoid, and that is the reason I used MS Word. So I will go ahead now and click this straight line and try to have a nice line towards that, and we can change the size. Then the other side the same, just have it like this, and now you can see my logo is complete and it looks attractive. So I will just do the finishing. So I will just come and pick my pencil here and check the size and just complete this ocean up to the other end. And now I will further come and pick this blue color using color picker. Click color pick and pick the blue color. Then this color one becomes active according to what you have clicked with the color picker. So I will just come and pick my filling jug and complete it like that. That is how simple it is. Let me do some modification here to make it look attractive. So that is how easy it is to design a logo using MS Paint and MS Word. Now I will go ahead and click select and just select this area around the logo, and let me give a bit of allowance, and then I will click crop. So finally I have designed a very attractive logo, as you can see. That is how easy it is to design a logo using MS Word and MS Paint. Thank you for participating. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye bye.